Lulla and you're watching me on MissMalini.com. This collection is my latest collection, which is the summer line. It's made primarily in white and pastel shades, a lot of laces, a lot of very feminine accents to the entire silhouette, a lot of flair, a lot of pretty embellishments, and basically welcoming the summer, whereby you want to feel free, you want to look pretty at the same time, you don't want to feel the heat. Therefore the color scheme and the kind of combinations that I've used, and primarily a lot of whites. It's more of the romantic feel and the Elizabethan look. There's a lot of laces, there's a lot of chantilly lace and cutworks which has been used in the collection, and a lot of cutworked velvet, which is very lightweight and very soft. I've used a lot of nets, a lot of laces, georgettes, chiffons, and lightweight fabrics. Our collection has cocktail wear and semi-formal Indian wear. The cocktail wear is primarily done with a lot of cutwork lace, which is inspired from your tablecloth cutwork, and is lined with soft sequins to give it the very feminine feel and yet a little more of a semi-formal attire. This is one of the pieces that I really like. It's got an Indian inspiration. It's been inspired from the Ajkan and still has a very, very Western feel to it. It's fitted from the inside, and it's got a flowing cape on top, and it gives a very feminine and very chic silhouette. Slim, or you feel you're big hipped, whether you feel you're short or tall. I think this silhouette goes with every figure type. A basic white churidar kurta, which is a great fit, whether it's a short cut kurta or a flare, which would go with a lot of dupattas, and you could even contemporize it, you could westernize it, as long as the fit is good.
Hi, this is Nishka Lulla and you're watching me on MissMalini.com. I think for spring summer the key things you should be having is a basic, nice, comfortable white cotton shirt, because you could wear that casually and formally as well. You should have really cute, colorful flip-flops because they are very good for the summer. And you should have some nice, colorful accessories to go with your clothes. You should do a lot of mix matching this spring summer. Go for a lot of cotton, comfortable clothes which are airy, like shift dresses, floral prints and check prints, which look really nice. I think it's very gypsy this season, and I think you can play with a lot of pastel colors and vibrant pastel colors like pinks, turquoises and oranges and greens, and I think you can have fun with mixing a lot of prints together with the whites this season. I think you should have a floral, simple dress to go out in the nights, because in spring summer I think that looks really good. In my bag when I walk out of the house, I have my cell phone always, I have my credit card, and I have my lip gloss. Go very subtle on your makeup, but you can go for cute glossy lips and nice bright colors on your eyes.
Hi, this is Alka Nishar. Welcome to Miss Malini. This afternoon we are at Aza launching Neeta Lulla's new collection about the whites, the purity, the strength of being a woman to celebrate the Women's Day. I love the simplicity, the fabrics, the play of colors, the timing also. Perfect time to launch the whites and the pastels.